Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2016 Kawasaki KLX140 trail bike. This bike is offered for $24.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports, and this is basically a brand new bike. If you look at the tires still have, you could almost still see the nubs on them in the middle section there. This is one of the cleanest bikes we've taken in, just never got ridden. The previous owner put these nice moose hand guards on there to protect your levers, protect you if you're going through branches and things like that. It's just an all-around great bike. This one is also green sticker, so you can ride it year-round here in California, which is definitely a plus. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.